friends, let's continue types and components of computer system. In this video we will discuss about impact of emerging technologies. Technology, first one is the artificial intelligence. This is a technology that focuses on creating a computer system that could make decisions typically made by the human being. Just like the human being, they can make decisions based on the condition, based on their requirements. What are the uses of artificial intelligence? It enhance video games and computer tactics. It helps decision making steps in expert system, make robots, understand different human languages also. So what is the impact on everyday life? It can be used to accurately predict weather conditions. It takes over our basic tasks for humans, increasing our leisure time. Improved medical care as the decision making skills can be enhanced. Next technology is driverless cars. Driverless cars are guided by GPS, Wi-Fi and the special laser sensors. Sensors are used to communicate with the other driverless cars. So what are the advantages of driverless cars? They could go faster safely. There are less chances of error that can cause accident. But on the other hand, there are some disadvantages also. Some people may lose their job, just like drivers, they may lose their jobs. There may be a privacy concerns for sharing your location also. Next technology is computer assisted translation. Software that human translator use during translation process to improve their productivity for different languages. Different from the machine translation, as in machine translation is done by the computer without any human involvement. In machine translation there is no human involvement, but in CAT, computer assisted translation, there is human involvement also. This system creates and manages a translation memory. For example, if you have translated some text previously, you can store it in the memory and then you can reuse that previously translated text. CAT tool functionality may include spell check, electronic dictionary, text search and a lot of other features are also available. So there are a lot of software available in the market for computer assisted translation. Next technology is 3D and holographic imaging. Holography basically refers to the creation of a 3D images that can change as the position of the persons looking at them changes. Means 3D images that can change as the position of the person looking at them changes. Mostly used by the surgeons. It can be used by the architecture, virtual gaming and the training in the work also. Next technology is vision enhancement. The system can bring distant object closer and into the focus. Militaries use this technology because images can be seen clearly even in night. Implant is also available that can be placed into the retina of a blind person. Visual information is sent to the visual cortex, allowing a partial sight to be restored. Next technology is robotics, able to copy the movements and actions of the human beings. Can be categorized into two different types, fixed as well as mobile robotics. Okay. So what are the advantages of robotics? It produces more consistent results than the human workers, more precise than human being, can work continuously without a break, do not need to be paid regularly just like the humans. You have to pay them monthly or daily, but the maintenance cost is also high for this robots. It can work in the areas that would be dangerous for the human beings, just like volcanoes, oceans. So it can work in the areas that is dangerous for the human beings also. Next technology is biometrics. Biometric provides strong authentication that is unique based on physical traits. Physical, just like your fingerprints, retina scan, voice patterns or DNA. It is mainly used for verification and identification. Next technology is quantum cryptography. This is a technology that allows for securing communication while online. Commonly used in online shopping and banking website to secure data. So what is the process basically in quantum cryptography? User A sends a text, just like this plain text, hello world, but by the help of key, this text will be in the unreadable form, like this, unreadable form, so that other persons cannot see that. But after decrypting the message, you can get the text. So mostly website and the online shopping, banking and the online shopping websites use this cryptography technique. Okay, next technology is 3D printers make objects in the 3 dimension using different materials such as metal, plastic, ceramic, fabric and wood. So instead of printing on the paper, so 3D printers make materials by using different materials just like metal, plastic or ceramic. Next is drones, remote sensing. It can be used by the agriculture industry, archaeology, or the geographical surveys. Commercial area surveillance. It can be used by fire companies, farmers, or the private companies. Commercial and the motion picture filmmaking. It can be used in oil, gas, and mineral exploration also. Okay, the last one is a virtual reality, artificial computer generated environment where a person can immerse themselves and interact to perform a wide variety of action. It's an artificial and computer generated environment. Okay, you can just immerse themselves and interact to perform a wide variety of action. What are the uses? It allows professionals to conduct trainings, looking inside of an ancient building, computer games, used by astronauts, pilots, or medical students, used by car manufacturers to create prototypes. That is all. Thank you very much for listening.